علوا بكم نرتقي ونسمو إلى أبعد الأفق علوا.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, inshallah, we'll talk about a new kind of tenses. You know tenses in English. Can you give an example of tenses? Yes? Present simple. Continuous, okay. Past simple and? Okay, today we have something we call present perfect simple. Now we know why we use the present perfect simple and what is the structure of the present perfect simple. Okay? Let's take a look. Use. Why we use it? Why we use this tense? Number one, we use the present perfect simple for actions which happened in the past. So the actions happened in the past. But take a look at this. We don't mention exactly when. So what I mean, there is an action in the past, but there is no time. There is no exact time. Again, for actions which happened in the past, but we don't mention exactly when. So we have action in the past, but we have no time or no exact time. Let's take a look. Example, I have visited Riyadh twice. We have an action here, right? Which is visiting Riyadh. This action is in the past. I have visited Riyadh. Not now, it's in the past. Okay? And also, we don't have the exact time. When? Is it yesterday, last week, 1 month ago? We don't know. We don't have the exact time. Just we have an action in the past. So, as we said, action which happened in the past, but we don't know the exact time when. Okay? Another example. I have seen Ali. So here also we have an action which is seeing Ali. It happened when? Now? It's in the past. Okay, guys? And also, we don't have an exact time right here. Is it yesterday? 2 days ago? We don't know. It just happened in the past. Okay? So, action in the past, but there is no exact time. This use number one. Any question? Use number one. Is it okay? Okay, good. Let's take a look at use number two. Use number two. We use the present perfect symbol for actions which happened in the past. Same thing. Action in the past. But their result are obvious in the present. Which means we can see the result right now. The result. You know the meaning of the result? Okay? Yeah. We can see the results now. The action in the past, but the result right now. Okay, let me make this clear with an example. Take a look at this guy. You see? Broken leg. Ali has broken his leg. This action, when? Now? It's in the past. But what can we see? We can see the result. Good. He has a broken leg. So, the action in the past, that's okay. But we can see the result right now. Another example. I have washed my car. What result can you see? The car is what? Clean. It's clean. So, I have washed my car now. No, it's in the past. But what we can see right now, we can see the result of the action which happened in the past. So I have washed my car in the past, so it's clean right now. Again, use number two. We have actions happened in the past. Okay, but we have results now. The results are obvious in the present. We can see the result in the present. Our example is Ali has a broken leg. Ali has broken his leg. From the picture, I can see the result. Okay? The other example is, I have washed my car. As you said, the car is clean. So, is it okay? Any question, guys?
No.
How about there? Is it clear? Good. Now let's move to the structure of the sentence. How can I make the sentence? I have to know the structure of the sentence. What is it? In the affirmative form, okay? We start with the subject, a noun or a pronoun, whatever, okay? Then have and has, then past participle. Again, the structure of the sentence, present perfect simple. In the affirmative form, we start with subject. Then have or has depend on the subject. We choose have or has according to the subject. We will see that. Then the past participle. What is the past participle? The past participle is what? The third form. What is it? The third form of the verb, which means verb 3. Go, went, gone. Do, did, done. This is the past participle. Okay? So, according to the subject, we decide what we choose, have or has. If the subject is I, or you, or we, or they, we will take have. You have to know this. I cannot say I has. No. I have, you have, we have, they have. And if the subject, he or she or it, we will take has. Good. So again, subject, have or has. How can I choose? If the subject, I or you or we or they, we take have. If the subject, he or she or it, we will take has. Is that correct? Yes. Okay. Example. We has or have? Have. Make it already here. Okay. We have finished studying. Subject, have, past participle, verb 3. This is a structure, and this is a complement. Another example. Who can read? Who can help me? Yes?
He has finished studying.
He has finished studying. What is the subject? He. Good. How about has or have? Has. Where is the past participle? Finished. Good. So, 2 examples. We have finished studying. He has finished studying. Are they clear? Examples? Okay. Can anyone give me an example? Example? Yes?
I have already done that.
Okay. I have done that. I, the subject, have done the past participle. Thank you, Mr. Al-Ghanam. Let's move to the other structure. In the negative form, if I want to make a negative sentence, what will I do? With negative, we start with the subject, then have or has, plus not for the negative form. Then the past participle. So we just add not after have and has. The same structure with the affirmative form, but in the negative form, we add not after have or has. Okay, guys? Let's take a look. Have not. Of course, this is the short form, haven't. Has not. And also, this is the short form. Example. Who can read? Yes?
We have not played.
We have not played. We, then have, because of we, and this is the negative form, having played. Past participle. Another example? Yes, gentlemen? Yes?
He hasn't studied.
He hasn't studied. Good. He has. Then we add not for the negative form. Studied the past participle. Any question? Is it clear? Yes. Good. Let's move to something else. With the question, how can I make the structure of the question? I start with have or has. According to what? To the subject. Good. We start with have or has according to the subject. First, I see my subject. Where is it? Then I decide have or has. Then have or has, then the subject, then the past participle, and don't forget the question mark. Example. Have you played? Why we choose have here? Huh? Why, Malik? Because of you. Have you. So, our subject is you, so we start with have you, then the past participle, played. And this is a yes-no question, so the answer it will be yes or no. Good. Yes, I have. This is affirmative. In negative, no, I haven't. Again, have or has, then subject, then past participle. Example, have you played? Our answers is, yes, I have. No, I haven't. Another example. Who can read? Yes, gentlemen? Yes.
Has she come?
Has she come? Why is it has? Because of she. Has she. And come is the past participle of the verb come. Come, came, come. Good. The answers? Yes, she has. So taken from this, has she? Yes, she has. Negative? No, she hasn't. Also taken from that question. Okay, guys. Any question? No. So now, let me take some examples of you. Present perfect, simple. Yes, halaq, yes. No, anything. Give me an example.
Have you seen Ali?
Have you seen Ali? This is a question. Yes, I have, or no, I haven't. Okay, another example.
Has he played?
Has he played? Good. Yes. Yes, what? Yes, he has. Or no, he hasn't. Good. How about yes?
He hasn't played football.
He hasn't played football. This is what? Question or negative or what?
Negative.
This is the negative form. He hasn't played football. Excellent. Thank you. Hi, guys. Another example. Yes? He has studied. He has studied. Okay. This is also affirmative form. Yes, gentlemen? I have eaten lunch already. Good. I have eaten. The past participle of eat. Yes, gentlemen?
We have finished fishing.
We have finished
Fishing.
fishing. Okay, we have finished fishing. Good. Now I want you in a group. Give me some examples. Let's take 3 examples, but in a group with your friend. Okay, guys? One is affirmative and one negative and one question in a group. Okay, guys? Let's start. One question, one affirmative, one negative. Okay? Let me help you with you. Okay, let's take the affirmative. What is the subject? Ali has. Ali has or have? Has. Write this down. Okay, Ali has. Okay, good. Ali has. Write this down. So, what is the verb? Play. 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 What is the past participle of play? Played. Okay, write played. Yes, that's it. ED. Played. Let's say football. Okay, good.
علوا علوا بكم نرتقي ونسمو إلى أبعد الأفق. علوا علوا بكم نرتقي ونسمو إلى أبعد الأفق. فأنتم لنا مشعل لم يزل يواري النجوم